now hours to go for the Delhi elections, and in less than 24 hours, the first vote would be cast. As Delhi goes to vote, the end to politics seems nowhere in sight. Fresh claims have now been levelled by the Delhi Chief Minister Atishi, who has alleged that the BJP has violated the Model Code of Conduct. According to the Chief Minister, they received information that someone from Ramesh Biduri's team is threatening the people in several areas within the Kalkaji constituency, and she claims that Ramesh Biduri's son was also seen with a few others from outside campaigning, even though the silent period is on.
देखिए, ये पूरा घटनाक्रम तकरीबन रात के 11 साढ़े 11 बजे शुरू हुआ, जब हमारे कार्यकर्ताओं से शिकायत आई कि जे कैंप गिरीनगर के बाहर कुछ बाहरी लोग बैठे हैं, वोटर्स को धमका रहे हैं। हम वहाँ पे गए, हमने एक जीपीएस स्टैम्प्ड फ़ोटो कुछ व्यक्तियों के लिए डीसीपी को भेजी, आरओ को भेजी। फिर पुलिस वाले उस व्यक्ति को लेके गए। हमें डाउट था कि क्या करेंगे। हम उस गाड़ी के पीछे पुलिस थाने की तरफ आए। रास्ते में एक और गाड़ी दिखी जो हमारा वीडियो बनाती हुई लेके जा रही थी। जब उस गाड़ी के पास गए, वो गाड़ी आगे जाके रुकी, शायद कुछ और पार्क था उसके आगे। 3 लोग उस गाड़ी के अंदर मौजूद थे। उस गाड़ी में प्रचार सामग्री भी मौजूद थी। एसएचओ के सामने हुआ। एसएचओ ने प्रचार सामग्री निकाली, उन लड़कों से आईडी मांगा। उनमें से एक लड़का रमेश बिधूड़ी जी का भतीजा है, अनुज बिधूड़ी, सेठी नाम से भी जाना जाता है। उसको पुलिस वालों ने यहाँ से भगा दिया हमारी आंखों के सामने। वो उसे पुलिस थाने की तरफ लेके गए। हमने वीडियो बनाने की कोशिश की, पुलिस वालों ने उसे लोकेशन से भगा दिया। इन द मीन टाइम 2 लोकल लड़के जो यहाँ पे वीडियो बना रहे थे, उनको पुलिस वाले मार पीट कर थाने के अंदर ले गई।
Now, while this was the charge that was made by Atishi, a response has also come in from Ramesh Biduri, who has rejected the allegations that have been made by Atishi. And he goes on to say that the charge clearly shows the frustration that the Chief Minister is feeling because she knows of the impending defeat. He has taken to Twitter and he says, don't say anything out of frustration because of the defeat that is impending. That's the message that he has put out on social media X. So this is the response that you're seeing on the screens. War of words taking place ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, just hours to go for the Delhi polls, and big charge being levelled by the Delhi Chief Minister. Atishi going on to say that this is a violation of the Model Code of Conduct. It's already in place. But the BJP has now responded to it and has said that the charge is being levelled by the Delhi Chief Minister because she knows of the impending defeat. In fact, this is the statement that he has put out on social media, saying that Atishi knows that she is going to be defeated from the Kalkaji constituency, and she's also aware that Kejriwal will also be defeated from his constituency, and this is the reason why the Aam Aadmi Party is making such statements. And well, in a shocking turn of events, just around 24 hours before the Delhi elections, a major clash has erupted between the Aam Aadmi Party and the police. Atishi accused the BJP of violating the Model Code of Conduct, but the police officials have retaliated with a sensational charge. They claim that the Aam Aadmi Party members physically assaulted a man during a police official on duty. An FIR has also been registered in this regard. So an FIR has been registered against 2 people. They're said to be Aam Aadmi Party workers for assaulting an officer on duty after the officials made this big claim. After the claim was made on the Aam Aadmi Party members, the police officials saying that the Aam Aadmi Party members have been booked by the police officials. An FIR has also been registered against the Chief Minister as well as the Aam Aadmi Party members. My colleague Tejshri joins us on the broadcast with the details. Tejshri, this is a sensational charge by the police officials that a policeman on duty has been slapped by the Aam Aadmi Party workers, and the FIR also names Atishi. What are the details?
Well, yes, you see, there are two different cases. In fact, as far as this entire issue is concerned, there is one issue in which, in fact, two individuals have been booked who are said to be the supporters of Aam Aadmi Party. And in fact, the cops claim that these two slapped the cops. And in fact, in the video also, it could be seen that the two individuals on whom the cases have been on whom the case have been booked, they were seen to slap the cops. Number one. Number two, there is another case booked against the Chief Minister of Delhi herself. That is for violating the model code of conduct. So these are two different cases as far as this entire controversy is concerned. But if we talk about what the political war of words is going on in this entire issue, so yes, yesterday night there was this high political drama in Kalkaji constituency, where on one hand Atishi claimed that the relatives of Ramesh Bidodia were roaming in Kalkaji. BJP denied this claim, saying that Atishi is rattled by her that she is going to lose the elections. That is why she is making such kind of claims and allegations. On the other hand, now after the cases have been filed and these two individuals are booked, Atishi just on her social media handle has mentioned that Election Commission is working at the behest of the BJP, and not just that, but she is surprised that why the cases have been filed against these two individuals. And in fact, later on, she has also posted the two letters that she wrote to the Delhi police, highlighting the matter of the fact, as per her, that these two individuals were just making the video and they were not doing anything else apart from that. Back to you.
Okay, all right. So we have a response coming in from Atishi. Apart from making that charge against Ramesh Biduri, she has also, remember, Aam Aadmi Party leaders have time again made a charge against the Election Commission. So the Delhi Chief Minister has taken to Twitter, and here's what she says. The Election Commission is also amazing. Ramesh Biduri ji's family members are openly violating the code of conduct. No action is being taken against them. So the Delhi Chief Minister says that the EC is being biased and no action is being taken against the violation of the MCC, saying I filed a complaint and called the police and the EC and they filed a case against me. Rajiv Kumar ji, how much will you ruin the entire electoral process? So the Aam Aadmi Party has raised questions at the Election Commission. Atishi is saying that this is a clear violation. So Tejshri, first response coming in from the Chief Minister after a case was filed against her. Atishi going on to say that I filed a complaint and instead of taking action, I have been booked.
Well, absolutely. That's the first response coming in on this entire controversy from the Chief Minister herself. In fact, she's saying that she's surprised by the kind of actions that's been taken by the Delhi police. And in fact, she further also highlights and mentions that late last night, when they illegally took in custody two youth who were reporting and making a video of MCC violation, no action has been taken against those who were violating the model code of conduct. But in fact, the case has been filed against herself and the two individuals who were the Aam Aadmi Party supporters. So that is all the details that we are picking up at this particular point of time as far as this entire controversy is concerned. And in fact, what we are also getting to know is that at 12 o'clock, Atishi is also going to hold a press conference along with the former Deputy CM Manish Sisodia, and it is high possibility that she will be speaking and in fact commenting on this, or in fact releasing a statement on this entire controversy of case being filed against her supporters who have been booked by the Delhi police. And not just that, but the high voltage drama that took place yesterday in the constituency of Kalkaji. Back to you.
All right. Atishi, thank you for joining us. My apologies. Tejshri, thank you for joining us with those details. Atishi's response coming in on the same, and she says that the Election Commission is being biased against the Aam Aadmi Party. With that, we're slipping into a quick break here. We'll be right back. Stay with us.